I'm back with another video of slime. I know I keep doing slime videos, but one time, me and my sister would do a dance. We would make up a dance to 7 rings. That was the camera. We'll do 7 rings. So yeah. You want to do it today? Or tomorrow? Huh? No, 7 rings.
I know.
Okay, we will do it tomorrow. And yeah. My sister doesn't want to do the camera, but she's right there. We're in a kitchen in the dark. Oh.
Not in the dark.
It is dark in here. So, yeah. Now we're not in the dark.